Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we're going to redo this large dresser, so follow along. Alright, it's a large piece. There's a lot of decor on this, which makes these type of pieces a lot harder to paint. You get a lot of globbing of the paint and these crevices and everything like that. So we're gonna take it nice and slow. First, we're gonna take off all the hardware. We'll pull all the drawers out, pull the doors, look at the subframe, make sure it's all good, and then we can start sanding, painting, and well, get this piece finalized. So let's start with all the hardware, getting all this thing torn apart and see what we really are working with here. Alright, I found a little pizza box, which is perfect for being able to spray the handles the color you want. Poke some holes, screw them in, holds them in place. Got a nice big platform here. Today we're going to paint them black. I'm just going to use the Rust-Oleum ×2 Ultra Cover. It's a good prime and paint. I'm going to do one coat, just nice and light, let it dry. You can always apply a second or third coat if need be, which I think we'll probably need 2 coats. So I'm going to set this aside, give it one spray so we can start working on everything else, which is everybody's favorite part, which is the sanding. So I'll spray it. I'm going to take it inside the garage here so they don't get dust on them, and then we'll go from there with the sanding. Alright, I did one coat on the handles, let that dry for a couple hours here, give it another coat. It went on nice and smooth, so that's perfect. Got my DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper. We're just going to scuff this piece up because the whole piece is getting sanded. We'll also do the drawers, the doors, all that, and then we can start cleaning this up and getting it prepped for paint. Don't forget your mask. Alright, we wiped it down, vacuumed it up. This piece was pretty dusty and dirty. Must have been sitting out in somebody's garage for quite a while. The key is make sure you get it as clean as possible so that paint sticks to the product and not to the grime or the dirt or the dust. So today I'm going to use my Woodster angled short handle brush, and I've got my Behr Prime and Paint. It's Blackout Black is the color. I'm going to do the back side twice of the doors so I can let those dry, and then I can flip them over and start painting the other side. So backside twice, I'm going to do the drawers twice, and then we'll start working on this frame. sanded or painted it all. 2 coats. It's a lot of work with all that decor and making sure you don't get anything globbed up, but it's done. Some of you guys can stop right here if you don't want it scuffed up, look aged or anything like that. Go from here to a wax or start putting the handles on, get all that set up for the final project. But here, we're gonna sand this down a little bit, give it a little scuffed up look, a little worn in look. That's what we do. So let's get to work. Old 80 grit sandpaper that I used to sand this piece down, we're gonna use to finish it off too. So let's get started. Alright, after many hours of working on this project, we got it completed. We used a Blackout. Supervisor, you did your final checks. You just want to be in the video? Okay. Blackout black dresser. We sprayed the handles, give it a gloss black. Nice setup here. Not the easiest project to start with, but it is a good project. What are you doing? Do you want me to work faster? If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and well, I'll try to make this supervisor happy with another project.